In this video, I will show you how to create a HubSpot email campaign. If you want to send marketing emails to your contacts, this tutorial will guide you through the process. First, sign in to your HubSpot account. From the left sidebar, go to Marketing, then click Email. Select Create Email to get started. Next, choose the type of marketing email you want to create and select a template. Enter your email subject line, preview text, and sender details. Now, customize the email by adding your text, images, buttons, and other content. When you're finished designing the email, click the Recipients tab and choose the contact list or audience you want to send it to. Before sending, use the Preview and Test options to check how the email will look. Once everything is ready, click Review and Send. Then either send the email immediately or schedule it for a later date. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.